What is going on, crypto maniacs? It's your boy Crypto Millionaire, and I'm back. I know it's been a while. Thank you for standing by me. I'm back better than ever. We're gonna push this channel and build a solid community, better videos. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys for staying there. And adorable Aaron, I see you. I see you, buddy. Always hitting me up, man. I appreciate the support, love. You know, before I move forward, I'm just going to let you know I'm not your financial advisor. These are my opinions. I do this research, guys, to inform you. That way you can have the best solid portfolio possible so we can all make great money in this crypto world. So today we're going to talk about three things. We're going to talk about Tron. We're going to talk about Verge. And we're going to talk about the infamous Death Cross. So let's get to it. Right now, Tron, let's see, is at about 4 cents, 4.5 cents. It's up about 108% from last week. It's doing very well, and this is due to the fact that Tron's got, excuse me, the testnet launch on the 31st, Saturday, which will be streamed live. Justin Sun and the entire team will be streaming live on Periscope. So this is huge. Again, I like Justin a lot. He's very involved with the community, and to be streaming like this and active. I believe Tron is going to do huge things this year with their blockchain, and I'm super excited to see what they do and how well it works out for them. In other news with Tron too, they're moving into Europe, man. Not physically, but as far as with Binance. Tron's been the highest trading in volume in the past week and is moving over into Europe to be accepted there in trading with Binance, which is going to be another great move. And thinking about building over in what they're starting to call the blockchain island, which is Malta. It's a small island just south of just south of Italy, southwest of Greece. So the prime minister there supports crypto so much. I don't know if you guys know, but Binance moved to Malta, and I believe Tron is actually considering doing the same thing. So you're gonna have Binance and Tron in Malta. That's something to pay attention to, guys. That's going to be some big news right there if Tron does actually move to Malta there. It's kind of coincidental, you know. They're moving into Europe with Binance and moving over to Malta with Binance. You just don't know. But it's exciting news, and I love it. I love it. It's positive, and that's what we like to do here in this channel. No FUD, positive vibes, factual information. That's it. So I like that. This is all looking good. So if you guys are into Tron, matter of fact, my next move right now is I'm in Tron. I'm going to double up into Tron. Wait for the testnet to launch and see how that goes, which I'm assuming it's going to go very well. When it does, Verge has their big announcement coming out on the 16th of April. Okay, this, according to Verge, is the biggest partnership in crypto history. Okay, now I know Verge has kind of been disappointing the people. You know, I was in Verge at a very, very early stage. Got excited on the Wraith protocol and all that good stuff. But the fact that Token Pay covered about 75% of the crowdfund that Verge just recently did. So basically what happened, Verge said, okay guys, we need the Verge fam to come step it up. We need to crowdfund all this money in order to get this solid partnership, which is going to be the hugest partnership in crypto history. Well, thanks to Token Pay and the Verge fam, Token Pay, like I said, covering about 75% of the crowdfunding, they hit their goal. So they got the partnership, but they are moving the announcement to the 16th of April. Some people are kind of disappointed. They're like, well, why not now? I understand that. I get that. But at the same time, why would Token Pay cover so much of the crowdfunding in order for them to hit the goal if Token Pay wasn't certain of this partnership, of being how of the status of the partnership? Now keep in mind, Verge did sign an NDA, meaning it's a non-disclosure agreement, so they couldn't tell Token Pay exactly who this partnership is. Now, whether Verge did or didn't, no one will ever know. But I know if Verge did tell and the word gets out, that's going to kind of ruin Verge's reputation and Token Pay's. So that would be a big risk, in my opinion. So I think Verge did keep quiet, and I think that Token Pay is just really, really backing Verge just on Justin Vendetta's excitement on this partnership. So I'm thinking a good move right now, guys, would be to get into Tron, ride that wave for testnet or through testnet, and then you sell, and then you get into Verge, and you're gonna ride that wave. This will put you in a good situation. This is my next very move. I'm telling you guys right now, doubling up on Tron. Once testnet comes, I'm gonna ride that wave, sell at the high point, and then put it into Verge and try to ride that wave and see how far that takes me. So I'm hoping for a 2x, 3x move on both halves, which will put me at a 4 to 6x within the next couple weeks. That's the move I'm doing. I'm going to let you guys know how it goes, and we'll see how I make out on it. So in the Verge now, it's at 4 cents. It's been doing very well. I mixed feelings again with Verge, but I think Justin has really, really cleaned up his act when it comes to the involvement with the community. Verge is a non-ICO coin, which I respect. They didn't get any crowdfunding, and they've strictly built this off their own time and their own money, and for that you got to admire and respect. And they could have easily got destroyed when the market's gone down, and they're still here. So with that, I'm very, very positive again with Verge. I think they're here to stay, and I believe they are. I believe they're going to have a substantial year. Again, Tron and Verge. So those guys, 2 coins, keep your eye on. Trust me, especially the next 2 weeks. If you want to make some good money, that would be a good, what I just discussed. Do that move, and I'm not recommending, don't take my advice, because I don't want you guys to get on me and say, oh, I did what you told me to do. That's what I'm going to do, and I'll tell you how it works out for me. If you end up doing the same thing, let me know, and we'll go from there. All right, so again, Verge at 4 cents, getting some good reviews again. Redefining privacy in the crypto space in 2018. Again, having that partnership with Token Pay, with that support, is really, really good. Again, going 17% as funding target is met. I'm not going to fud around and say what I think the partnership is. I just hope it's really good for Verge's sake as well, and for crypto. And for those that have been in Verge, it's been a long time coming. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see what happens, okay? And then lastly, this is what I want to share with you guys. This is the infamous death cross that everyone is talking about and getting worried about, okay? If you don't know what a death cross is, let's see this red line right here. Okay, this red line is your 50-day average, okay? This green line right here is your 200-day average. Now, what a death cross is when the 50-day crosses over the 200-day. And everyone's saying, yes, it's going to happen. And then when that happens, that basically signifies a solid signal that we're in a bearish market. I mean, we already are in a bearish market, but this is going to pretty much say, we're going to continue in a bearish market for some time to come, creating some new lows. And that kind of sucks, but at the same time, that's just what happens. We go low, we go high. The good thing about it is the fact that that's going to set us up for what they call a golden cross. Now, a golden cross is when that 50-day comes right back up through the 200-day. And last time that happened, that's what led up to that last run that we had. Okay, so up to $20,000. So we're basically, guys, at the end of our bearish run. So get excited, because a bull run is, statistically speaking, about to happen, and that's coming soon. And the reason why I don't think the death cross, another reason why I don't think the death cross is going to happen, is because it is close. As you can see, it's really close, but it's not as close as it's been before. And everything is looking so good. Right here, this is the RSI. It's pretty decent. I mean, when it gets down to like 30,000, that's when it basically the coin is oversold. Okay, and basically the momentum is going to go back up, and then above 70,000 is when the coin is overbought. Now, right now we're sitting at about 35,000. So, and then the momentum on the statistics RSI is starting to swing back in an upward. Well, I wouldn't say upward, but it's swinging over. Okay, it's rounding out right here. You know, if it was still to be going straight down, you know, that would show that the market's going to keep going lower, and obviously create less value in the coin, in Bitcoin. But everything right here coincides with an upward swing right now, or starting to. You know, so we're at 35,000 on the RSI. We're starting to get a green candle here. Death cross is close, but it's not happening. And then the stochastic RSI is starting, like you can see right here. It's starting to swing. The momentum's going back towards an upward direction. So the momentum going down is running out. So that's good news. So if the momentum was still strong, then we know the price is going down, but the momentum is starting to swing back towards an upward direction. So it'd be like that, if you will, which is good, which is going to send an upward trend, a bullish trend for Bitcoin. What does that mean? Price going up. Okay, so these are very important indicators that you want to pay attention to in the market. Yeah. So, death cross, I don't think it's going to happen. Some people say they think it's going to happen. I can be completely wrong. But right now, like I said, the indicators here are showing us that it's starting to swing back up, which in turn would keep the 50-day above the 200-day, which would be a start of a bullish trend. And there is a gentleman from Palm Beach research group that I follow, Tiki. I get his mailers, actually, his emails. And he's saying there's $5 trillion coming into the market in the next month or two. And if that happens, guys, I mean, get ready. Get ready for a great time to be in crypto. So if you guys thought the last bull run was big, this is going to be bigger. Way bigger, guys. So again, this is all just information off statistics, okay? This is looking good. Even though we're down, it's looking like we're going to go back up. Tron, like I said, guys, good coin to get in right now, especially if it goes up for a test net, and then you get out at a high point, get into Verge. You know it's going to go up just based on the hype, whether the partnership is as big as they say it's going to be, or if it is even bigger, you're going to make some good money on that as well. So that's the end of this video. It's the first one. I know I'm back. I'm a little rusty, but guys, thanks for your support. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. I'll leave a few links in there too. If you're not on Binance or anything like that, I'll leave some easy access links down there for you guys to get in. And hit the bell. Hit the bell for some new videos coming in. I'm going to make a video every day. I'm not letting you guys down. We're going to build this community. We're going to have a lot of fun. This is all going to be positive vibes, good information. So don't listen to the news. Okay, you come here. This is going to be facts, guys. Don't get scared. Crypto's here to stay. I mark my words on that. Okay, don't listen to any other crap. Okay, we're going to go over all the time with just positive information, real facts, statistics, charts. And we're going to really kill it in this crypto game. So until next time, guys, it's your boy Crypto Millionaire. It's good to be back. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned because I got a lot of good information coming your way. All right, guys. Later.